Anwụ, iyi, aja, agwụ. The alchemical four elements represent foundation in Igbo spirituality and cosmology. In Igbo, they are known as Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo. In the Pan-Igbo cosmology, Eke represents sun, Orie represents water, Afo represents soil, and Nkwo represents air. These four elements dwell within us as our eyes as Eke, the water or sweat in our body as Orie, our flesh as Aja, Afo, and our breath as Nkwo. These four elements serve as the organic engine of the earth. Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo. In the cosmology of Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo, they were described as four Igbo women carrying baskets and representing the star of women. The first going east, the second going west, the third going south, and the fourth going north. When we consult the spirits, after we give gratitude to Enu, the Divine Father, and Anna, the Divine Mother, we give gratitude to their offsprings, which are Eke, Orie, Afo, and Nkwo. Oranabo. In Afa, Eke is Oranabo, which is explaining two lights, dualism and fire. Eke is always the first day. Eke is the element of creation. This is why Eke is also linked to the python, which represents fertility and feminine creativity. In Igbo astrology, a male child that was born on Eke Day can be named Okeke, and a female child born on Eke Day can be named Mboeke, and any child born on Eke Day can be named Nweke. Ijite Ululu or Ijite Ululu. Ijite Ululu is Orie, Oye, the second element in the Igbo four market days. To give gratitude to Orie on Orie Day or any other day, one must pour libation, because the elements of Orie is water. It is also relevant to go to a river, lake, or sea and consult water spirits on Orie Day. A male child born on Orie Day can be named Okoye, and a female child born on Orie Day can be named Mborie. Otule Ululu. The third day in the Igbo four market days is Afo, which is Otule Ululu in Afa. This is a day that is sacred to the earth goddess the most. It is a great day to use kola nut and consult the earth goddess, Ajana. A male child born on Afo, Aho day can be named Okafo, and a female child born on Afo, Aho day can be named Mboafo. Aku, Aka. The fourth day in the Igbo four market days is Nkwo, Afa, and the Igbo oral tradition enlightens us that Nkwo is the sacred name of Chukwu, and it is also the name of the Igbo ancestors known as Umunkwo, who are the offsprings of Nkwo. The day of Nkwo is a great day to consult the spirits with calabash chalk, Nzo. A male child born on Nkwo Day can be named Okonkwo, and a female child born on Nkwo Day can be named Mbo Nkwo. You see the pyramids, like the Imhotep pyramids, are stages of human consciousness, or the manifestations of the fifth dimension, which is Bechi, the spiritual realm, where a soul rests. Ebi hena de metute, yene metute na mo, yene metute na mado, maniha de metute na chi. The first stage is the very bottom, known as Afo in Igbo. This stage is the material body of all living things. The third dimension, this is the world of action, the world of matter, material. The second stage is the world of formation, which is air, known as Nkwo in Igbo. The third stage is the world of creation, water, which is Orie in Igbo. Orie is the primordial ocean wave of creation. The fourth stage is the world of fire, which is Eke, the primordial fire of creation. The first cosmic light, that is Eke. The fifth stage is the seed, the Ado, the core of the cosmos, which is the home of Chi, the very pointy end of the spiral or the ring nebula, which is the home of our divine self, Akochi. The pineal intelligence gland. What the Igbo refer to as Chi is what the Kemetians refers to as Ka, Ako, Aka, the primordial state, which is also what the Yorubas refers to as Ori. Oga. Just as there are 4 elements in Igbo alchemy and spirituality, there are also 4 ages of the world. The 4 ages of the world are known as Ogaka, Ogachin, Ogazi, and Oganwu. Ogaka is the first age of the world, which is known as the age of immortality, the time when Abara lived side by side, ate and drank with humans. This is also a time when Chukwu gave the Ofo, the staff of truth, to humans. In the Leopards of the Magical Dawn, Nze Chukwuka Dibia Nwafo described this age as the true African Golden Age. Ogachi. The second age is called Ogachi. This was the age of dualism and self-realization. It was in Ogachi that the ancient Igbo ancestors, Ndi Agale, Ndushi, Ndiashi, shared their knowledge with the world. Ogazi. The third age is known as Ogazi. This age is known as the age of ignorance and wickedness. This was the age when Udo left the earth. This age brought slavery and colonization to Africa. Oganwu. The fourth age is called Oganwu. This is the age when everything hidden will be exposed. Oganwu unveils it all. The Oganwu spirit revolts against any system that has been keeping humanity backwards. It is the age when the spirit of Udo returns to earth. We are currently in Oganwu. The 7 alchemical planets became the 7 days of the week that the masses follow. The commercial timing system was created during the age of Ikenga, which was the age of Mars. Ikenga is the Igbo Natar of time. The perfection of time came from the Martians, those that came to Earth with Ikenga. Ikenga is held as Odumija because time is always ahead. Time is an illusion, but it is the best friend of truth. The Westerners borrowed the 7 alchemical science from ancient Africa, the African Great Age. They manifested their own gods and goddesses and dedicated each of the days of the week to them. The commercial 7 weekdays were names of 7 Sumerian gods and goddesses recreated in Norse mythology. The Norsemen were a group of Germanic people who inhabited a place known as the Scandinavia and spoke what is now called the Old Norse language. Germanic people, like the Greco-Romans, were all taught alchemy by ancient Ndushi, Ndieshi, Ndishi, the Africans that were masters of physics, the elegant nomads. For decades, the African masses has been calling on Greco-Roman gods. These 7 alchemical commercial realms originally exist in Igbo pantheon as Ora, Oma, Ikenga, Agwu, Ngwu, Uto, and Ele. This is Ogamu, and we are embracing our methodology as an Igbo or African using the commercial timing system that the Europeans borrowed from the age of Ikenga. Just recognize the days of the week as followed. Ora, Anwu. Ora in Alpha is the Igbo spirit of the sun. Sunday is Ubochi Ora. Oma is the Igbo name for the moon spirit. Monday is Ubochi Oma. Ikenga, Ikane is the Igbo spirit of planet Mars. The sacred number of Ikenga is 3. Thus, Tuesday is Ubochi Ikenga. Agwu is the Igbo spirit from planet Mercury. Wednesday is Ubochi Agwu. Ngwu is the Igbo name for the Jupiter spirits. Thursday is Ubochi Ngwu. Utana is the Igbo spirit of Venus. Friday is Ubochi Utana. Ele is the Igbo spirit of planet Saturn. Saturday is Ubochi Ele.